This is my crispy shrimp dumpling recipe. We won't be making dumpling dough from scratch. Instead, we'll be using rice paper. Today's recipe is intensively crispy, quick and easy. I'd like to also share with you a few tips so the pan frying oil wouldn't splatter as much as before. Let's get started! To make the dipping sauce, in a bowl, mix in the crispy chili oil. If you're interested, you can click on the link right here for the most delicious homemade crispy chili oil recipe. You can also replace it with other chili oil or chili sauce that you enjoy. Add the red vinegar or replace it with other types of vinegar. Add in the sugar and salt. Whisk. These are uncooked, peeled and deveined shrimp. Try to dry them as much as possible so the oil wouldn't splatter as much. To make the filling, add the peeled and deveined shrimp and salt, white pepper, and sesame oil. Mix well. Also add in the cilantro stems. You could also replace it with other herbs. Ginger. Mix well. To make the water mixture, in a bowl, place in the water and sugar. The sugar will help with browning. You can also use vinegar. Lightly brush the water mixture on both sides of the rice paper. Until it is softened, but not too much. And the reason is because the oil will splatter a lot when the rice paper has too much moisture on it. Add about a tablespoon of the filling by the bottom corner. Fold it up and fold the two sides toward the center. And roll it up all the way. Repeat with the rest. To pan fry the shrimp dumplings, in a pan over medium heat, pour in the avocado oil or other cooking oil that you enjoy. And sprinkle with a pinch of salt. Salt will also help to absorb moisture so the oil wouldn't splatter as much. Transfer the shrimp dumplings to the pan, pan fry until crispy for about 2 minutes on each side. Super crunchy on the outside, and then the shrimp is bouncy with an amazing aroma of cilantro, and I love cilantro. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, subscribe and thumbs up, and I'll see you again in the next episode. Bye!